Alright, so today I'm going to ditch this Hitachi carburetor. I'm just tired of working on it. It'd probably be a whole lot easier if I actually knew what I was doing, but I don't. So, and it's scrap now. I've tried tinkering with it so much and adjusting the float and everything, and finally the front glass piece broke, and I really don't want to mess with it anymore. And everybody kept telling me to buy a Weber anyways, and don't try to fix your Hitachi. So that's what I did. I got a new Weber carburetor, and we're going to put that on there. And since I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm not a mechanic, but my friend Alan, he's done this a few times and he's going to help me out. He's the lost president. He's going to be here a little later, and first I'm going to get it ready to put the Weber on. I'll take the Hitachi off. I'm going to move the fuel pump back to where it should be, back by the gas tank. And that will actually be really nice because it's kind of loud up here, and replace all the fuel lines and start fresh. So that's what I'm going to do first. Got Alan here, the lost president.
How you doing?
Good. And what are we going to do today?
We are going to be installing a 3236 Weber on this 1.6 Isuzu motor today. Before you even get going, make sure that your factory carburetor, you're checking your linkage, making sure which way everything is pushing and pulling, where your cables are, your fuel lines are running in. And with this one, we know we need to go in the rear with the pull there. So we'll get going by getting the base plate on first. We'll make sure all this is clean.
Yeah, should really clean that up.
Your surface is clean. We got a little bit of sandpaper, razor blade, possibly.
Yep. Just gonna scrape it.
Yeah, scrape that. Scrape towards the outside. That corner is the only one that feels really rough there. Get everything just started a little bit. Please don't use an impact gun. People out there, please, let me stress. I did not do that personally, but I know somebody that's done that. You don't need an impact gun. Get all your bolts started. Same goes on the secondary base plate. It just get her snugged down and go back around and torque everything down. If you wanted to get real technical, you could use a torque wrench, but there again, I haven't had a problem.
Okay.
I don't know why they didn't stamp their studs on the top to take an Allen wrench or something.
Yeah. You can put two nuts together and
yeah,
kind of.
There you go. See, smart guy, thinking better than me.
You ever drop a nut or a washer inside the intake?
Yes, I have.
And then what?
That's what the little flexible magnet is for that I have at the shop.
That's a big fear of mine, is dropping one of these in that.
That's why I'm having you use your hands. But You could set a rag in there while you're doing that.
Yeah.
Also keep anything
I
from
would.
falling down in there.
That's a really good idea.
See? That's why you got friends. When you don't think, they think for you, and vice versa.
So I get these studs in there. What I'm doing is just stacking two nuts on top of each other, and then tightening them to each other like that, and then you can turn the stud into place.
Never force your gaskets. Nice. Now, drop this baby down on there. Okay. Now, make sure she's firmly down on there. Ugh. Okay, it should be down. Alrighty. This kit, they have provided a nice little throttle linkage setup, so you don't have to build your own. This is the first time that I've seen that. Just get them started.
It's not started, it's just sitting on top of it.
Okay. Just take your time, be patient. No hurries. Just give them a slight little snood. Is a hole big enough? Yeah, they made a little bit of tension there. These guys, I mean, they definitely didn't leave any wiggle room for anything.
That thing's probably going to try to want to fray.
Which is pretty much inevitable.
I don't want to do this. This is
Not something I like to do.
there. It went. I did it.
Okay, let's see if she fires up. Is right on the money too. When is responsive, needless to say.
Yeah.
That is beautiful work, my friend.
Very nice. Right on, man. Thanks a lot for your help. Appreciate it.
No problem, brother.
It's amazing. I love it.
Me too. Love, no pun intended.
Right. No, totally intended.
But yeah, look me up on YouTube under Lost President. You'll see a picture of an American flag truck, and I got a few do-it-yourself things on it myself, so check it out. I'd appreciate it.
Right on. All right.
And
Let's take them for a test ride.
take her for a drive.
Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Till next time.
See ya.